Today we're doing 1987 tops. It's the 19th of August. We just finished two videos with one 48 count rack pack each of 87 tops. Now we go to what I call a super jumbo pack. 100 cards plus one special glossy rookie card. And we also get some gum. We haven't done a super jumbo pack in a while. And as far as 87 tops goes, the only product that I have is the rack packs and the super jumbo packs. I don't have any cello packs or cello packs or wax packs. Take a look at the gum. Gum's looking fine. Got some gum, a little bit of gum residue on the John Franco. I'm gonna go ahead and toss him out. That's unfortunate because we don't typically incur damage to the cards in these super jumbo packs. They usually come out fairly clean. So, but it is what it is. All right, let's go. Oh, what we're looking for. These are our rookies. The big ones are going to be the Barry Bonds, $15. The Will Clark, $1. Bo Jackson, $15. The Barry Larkin, $2.50. Made the Hall of Fame in 2012. The Rafael Palmeiro, $1.50. There's our 100 cards there. Wouldn't mind getting any one of those, especially that card number 1. That Glossy All-Stars comes in the rack packs. So we're going to be looking for glossy rookies. In this case, as you can see, we've got the Dale Savem. I don't see him on this list, but we'll take it. We need the Dale Savem to complete the set. Here are error cards where corrected cards were made. There's 5 of them, so we'll be looking for those cards. And then I read an article that gave the top 5 1987 Topps cards. See if we can't pull any of those. Bo Jackson, Barry Bonds, Barry Larkin, the Jim Leyland card, manager, $2 card, and the Roberto Clemente turn back the clock card. All right, first section, we've got our 1986 glossy rookies card for the 87 set, Dale Savem. Not bad, very cool card. Number 18 is going to be a double asterisk version. Or variation, I should say. Let's put him front and center. We've got Cale Daniels, Carmelo Martinez, Nate Snell, Rick Shue, Willie McGee, Nick Esaski, Gene Garber, Gino Petrelli, Tom Niedenfuhr, Bill Schroeder, what a great last name he has, Julio Franco, Roger Mason, Johnny Grubb, Gary Pettis, George Brett, very nice on that George Brett card, number 400. That's going to be one of our 100 cards, so that's going to be a 60-cent card. Made the Hall of Fame in 1999. Good deal. 60 cents on that George Brett. Take that. Got Rich Goose Gossage. Oh, it's wanting to get a little windy outside. Come on, stay up there. Doug Drabeck. Jose Uribe. Manager of the California Angels, as they were called at the time, Gene Mauch. Denny Walling, Kurt Wilkerson, Ken Dixon, Mark Gubixa, Roger McDowell, Chris Cotaroli, John Tudor. Is that going to be... No, okay. Ed Correa. I thought that was going to be card 792 for some reason. Jerry Reed, Frank Pastor, Rick Rhoden. Not the pirate we wanted, but okay. Bill Madlock, Lance Parrish, Carl Willis. Ooh, picked up a checklist. Cards 529 through 660. We'll take it. National League All-Star card of Steve Sax. Very nice. Card number 596. We'll throw the All-Star up there. Darren Dalton. Topps All-Star Rookie. Gold Cup card of Bruce Ruffin. Nice. Luis Salazar. Jim Dwyer. Mark Huseman. Rudy Law. Manager of the San Francisco Giants at the time, Roger Craig, great manager there. Charlie Moore, Dave Kingman, John Morris, Bruce Sutter, Jeff Russell, Mike Heath, Tracy Jones, Shane Rawley, and finally Topps All-Star Rookie Gold Cup card of Corey Snyder. So we'll pull these cards down. We've got, in that first section, we got the George Brett card, number 400. Good deal on that. Picked up National League All-Star card of Steve Sax. Real happy about that. And our glossy rookies card. And this Super Jumbo pack goes to Dale Svem. Forgot to check these corners, a little bit curved, but we should be okay. All right, y'all, let's go to pack number 2. Or, I'm sorry, the second section of this pack, I should say. You got Ken Daly, Pat Sheridan. Nice. Tony Gwynn. We'll take it. Card number 530. We'll put him front and center. Chris Bando. Mike Malecki. Lloyd Mosby. Greg Gagne. Bill Duran. Manager of the Houston Astros at the time, Hal Lanier. There's Dusty Baker. Tim Rock Raines, great player there. We'll throw him up there. Ozzie Guillen, Jerry Naron, Dave Dravecki, Kevin Romine, Tony Pena, Bob Forsch, Joe Orsalak, Dave Collins, Kevin Bass, Enos Cabell, Rafael Ramirez, the Hawk, Andre Dawson. Good deal on that. Card number 345. Sweet. Rick Dempsey. Nice. Dale Murphy. Awesome card there. Number 490. Got Kevin Mitchell. Roy Lee Jackson. Steve Ontiveros. Scott Greltz. Floyd Bannister. Will Clark. I believe that's going to be his rookie card. It is. Card number 420, worth $1. So I picked up the Will Clark rookie card, worth $1. We'll take it. National League All-Star card of Todd Worrell. Very good on that All-Star. Got Bill Buckner. Toby Hara. National League All-Star card of Ozzie Smith. Very nice. We'll take that. Chili Davis. Jeff Hamilton. Billy Joe Robideau. Tom Paciorek. There it is. Turn back the clock to 1972 with Roberto Clemente. And that's going to be one of the top 5 cards. Card number 5. worth a quarter. Very nice. Card number 313. So basically the 5th most popular card in the 87 set. Awesome. And what a legend he was. Rest in peace to him. Kansas City Royals leaders with Frank White, George Brett. Awesome card there. Number 256. We'll take it. Got Eric Shaw, Jeff Robinson. He's a West Palm Beach native. No, I take that back. Wrong guy, my bad. Darryl Porter, Ken Phelps, Bob McClure. The Montreal Expos leaders. Looks like the manager, definitely a catcher and an umpire. But not real sure who all those people are. Tony Walker, Rick Manning, and finally, American League All-Star card of Tony Bernazard. All right, y'all, what did we get coming up on 11 minutes? Got the Kansas City Royals leaders with White and Brett. Good deal. Dale Murphy, very awesome. Tim Rock Reigns, good deal on that. Over here, picked up some All-Stars. American League, Tony Bernazard. National League, Ozzie Smith. National League again, Todd Worrell. And then the Hawk, Andre Dawson. That's cool. Great player he was. Center stage, got the late, great Roberto Clemente's Turn Back the Clock card, worth a quarter. Number 313, good deal. Picked up Will Clark's rookie card, and that's going to be a $1 card. Dropping my notes here. There we go. And then finally, Tony Gwynn. Put him up on the stand, showed him some love. Believe he passed away, so rest in peace to Tony. All right, folks, there you have it. 1987 Topps 100+1 card Super Jumbo Pack. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned. Tomorrow, hopefully, should have some time. We'll get into 1988 Topps.